Hello, hello, hello everybody. This is Robin from Roaming with Rover. Thank you so much for joining in. This is a very special video. This is a giveaway video. Well, sort of a giveaway video. This is the announcement of a giveaway video. So what is the giveaway? Well, let me show you. This is the giveaway. You are going to be able to win this beautiful Furls crochet hook. This is a Furls J 6.0 millimeter hook. Isn't that gorgeous? Love it, love it, love it. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and how are you going to win? Easiest way you've ever had to win. You're going to vote. You get to vote on something. So, for those of you that know me, know that I have a lot, and I mean a lot, of kits. I have subscribed to the Crochet of the Month, I haven't done Knit of the Month, but a lot of the Crochet of the Month things are also a combo Crochet Knit of the Month type things. I see kits. I love the Mary Maxim kits. I love the Hirschner's kits. I have gotten the Crochet Society kits. I have a lot of kits. I like the kits. I have the quarterly crochet Afghan kits. I see the sales on the Mary Maxim Afghan kits, the knit ones and the crochet ones, and I just love them. I like the fact that the colors are already chosen for me. The yarn is already the right yarn in the right colors that already have a pattern. I have a lot of kits. The problem is I don't make up the kits, so I have a lot of kits. Well, I had a conversation with Miss Morgan, and she and I decided that I needed to start doing up some of these kits, but I couldn't decide which ones I wanted to do first. So you get to decide what kit I'm going to do first. So what I did was I had Miss Morgan wander around the house, and I mean, we've got kits in the living room, we've got kits in the bedroom, we've got kits in her bedroom. We've got kits. So I told her to pull 3 kits, any 3 kits from anywhere in the house. And then I'm going to show you guys those 3 kits. And then you're going to vote. And whichever one you decide, whichever one gets the most votes, that's the kit I'm going to make up first. So how are you going to win this beautiful crochet hook, this beautiful Furls crochet hook? Easy peasy. We're going to have kit 1, 2, and 3. Whichever kit gets the most votes, I'm going to pull, well, we'll have the random comment picker pull a person's name that voted for that kit. So let's say kit number 1 got the most votes. Then whoever voted for kit number 1 will be in the running for the hook, and I will pull the winner from whoever voted for kit number 1. And that's how you're going to win. And then later on, after I finish the kit, we'll have another drawing for another prize, just for funsies. Okay, so you're ready to look at the kits? I have not seen what she pulled for me. This is a complete surprise. I can see the colors because they're stacked up over here, but I don't know what she pulled. Okay, here we go. No, here's the first one. It's still in the bag. Okay. So, this is kit number 1. A lot of spring colors. There's some stuffing. It is, oh, this is exciting. It's an amigurumi gnome. This is so awesome. Okay, so this is from the Annie's Hook and Needle Kit Club. This is the Springtime Gnome Doorstep. And this is a crochet pattern or a knit pattern. There's no way I would ever knit that. That's not happening. So this would be a crochet pattern. This is so cool because I have been wanting to knit. I've been wanting to crochet a gnome. That's been one of the things I've been wanting to do. So here's all the different colors of yarn and a little bit of stuffing. Probably going to need more stuffing than that, but I've got lots of stuffing, so that is not a problem. This is really, really cool. Let's see if we can figure out. So this came in January of 22. So that's how long I've had that one. Since January of 22. This is January of 24. So I've had this for 2 years. I'm excited about this one. Okay, so that's kit number 1 is the gnome. Kit number 1. All right, let's see what else she pulled. All right, this is kit number 2. I see a lot of black and white yarn. This is very pretty. It's called Rag Yarn. It's from Mary Maxim. Ooh, 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 pretty, pretty, pretty. This looks like it's called the Rag Wrap. That is gorgeous. Kind of a Ruana. You know I love the Ruanas. Love, love, love that. That is so pretty. Love that. Ooh, that's pretty. Worsted weight yarn. Ooh, that's soft. I've never worked with this yarn before. It is acrylic made in Turkey. Nice. 216 yards, 100% acrylic, 100 grams. Worsted weight, machine washable and dryable. Okay. Does not say what size crochet hook. Oh, well, that's because this is a knit pattern. We've been doing a lot of knitting lately. Okay. This is knit, knit, knit. Knit, purl, knit, purl. Looks pretty simple. Looks pretty simple. Even I can do that. Okay. So, this beautiful, beautiful Ruana knit pattern. So we've got the gnome, kit number 1. Kit number 2, let's call it the knit pattern. So we've got the gnome and the knit. This is beautiful. I love, love, love this. Oh, I remember this one. I've been wanting to make this for a long time. Knit's going to take a while. Knit is going to take a while. All right, let's see. Pattern number 3. I see a lot of beautiful purple. Look at these colors. Ooh, that's gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Ooh, this is a Hirschner's kit. That's funny. We've got an Annie's kit, a Hirschner's kit, and a Mary Maxim kit. I like them all. So this is the Hirschner's Worsted 8, which I love. I use all the time. This is an 8-ounce skein, 100% acrylic, 489 yards, medium weight 4, machine wash and dryable. We've got 4 colors, 4, 5, 6 colors. These two might be the same. Dark gray, dark gray. So we've got 2 shades of purple, 2 shades of this sort of tealy color, and dark gray. Spruce, sea green, ooh, that's pretty. Orchid, pale orchid, and the gray. All right, let's see what we got here. This is the lace edged granny square throw. Oh, wow. That's pretty. That looks hard. Look at that. Look at that beautiful. Look, see, there's the lace on the edge. And then you've got this going one direction, and then it goes another direction. Oh, wow. That looks hard. That's beautiful. That is just beautiful. Ooh, there's a lot of words. Every row has different words. Oh my gosh. There is not anything where it's, you know, repeat row, whatever. Okay. It doesn't look, I mean, the stitches themselves don't look difficult. You know, it's a granny, but that's going to be interesting. That is beautiful. I love, love, love it. Love, love, love it. Okay. Well, I love all of these, and I would be excited to make any of them. And other than the gnome was a kit of the month. The other two were ones that I purchased. So, I mean, I purchased the kit too, but you know, it just came. It just showed up. These ones I specifically purchased. So, there's not a single one of them that I don't love. I'm glad I don't have to decide because I love them all. But it would be really hard for me to pick. Ooh, 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 that's going to be a tough one. Okay, you guys. So, here's the deal. Vote. Kit number 1 is the gnome. Kit number 2 is the knit. So for the first, if you want to vote for the first one, type in the word, make sure you put the word gnome, G-N-O-M-E, in your comment. On the second one, type the word knit, K-N-I-T. And on the third one, let's make sure you put in the word granny, G-R-A-N-N-Y. And so I will do, I'll have the comment picker count up the votes. And then whichever one gets the most votes, that's the one I'll work on. And then I'll keep you guys updated and apprised and see how it goes. And then when I'm done with that project, we'll have another giveaway. So that'll be fun. That will be fun. So if you would like to win, and we're going to have to make this US only. We'll do this. We'll make it US only for this one. And then for the second one, we'll make it worldwide. So it'll be some kind of a gift card for the second one if you win it. Okay? So for this one, US only. You can still vote. Yeah, you can still vote, but for the prize, it'll have to be US only. Unless, you know, if you've got a US mailing address. It's just ridiculously expensive to mail outside the US. I'm so sorry. Let's go 2 weeks. So you'll have until the 28th of January to get your vote in. And then I will draw on the 29th. So you've got till the end of day on the 28th to get your vote in. I'm super excited. I hope you guys have fun with this, and I'm gonna keep watching and see how those votes go. I'm excited. I'm excited. I'm going to be excited no matter what gets picked, because those are all 3 projects that I want to do. Thank you so much for playing. I hope that you guys enjoy this little game that we have, and good luck. We'll see you guys later. Bye-bye.